Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to post the Instagram pictures without cropping. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you tired of Instagram cropping your photos and cutting out important parts of your image? Posting a full picture on Instagram can be frustrating, especially when you want to showcase the entire scene without any cropping. Fortunately, there are several methods you can use to post a full picture on Instagram without losing any of the details. So how to do it? It's so simple. First, I will show you first when we try to post photo to our Instagram. If it's a portrait or landscape picture, Instagram will automatically cropping uh, your picture like this. And what if you want to make it full picture without cropping any part of your photo? It's so simple. So first, you have to download this app, Square Pic. You can download, install on your App Store or Play Store. Square Fit Photo. Here's, you can just open the app. You can allow the pictures. I will allow the permission first. After that, you can just choose the photo that you want to post to your Instagram without cropping. For the example, I will choose photo from my gallery. I will choose this photo. Here's. You can change the background. You want to make the background blur like this, or you want to make it white or black, which is on black. Now you can just tap on save. Now you can, if you want to share it to your Instagram, you can just tap on Instagram. Choose on feed. So now as you can see, the picture is appear on full without cropping any details of your photo. Now you can just tap on next. Now you can just add caption and share it to your feed. It's so simple, right? So that is how to post picture on your Instagram without cropping. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.